You're absolutely correct. I don't know how I missed this. Well, I wanted to just explain what's going on here, so I think I haven't talked too much. So what you're seeing, hello! Now it's working. Now we can, like, understand shit. That was awkward, like talking to myself, no one understanding myself, and then I'm just gesturing. So, is it a game about trying to stream but everything fails? No. Let's preface this again. I have some rudimentary background in IT. I went to university and was about to get a degree as a teacher, especially in IT. I just noticed that my setup with my lights is absolutely counterproductive. Because I don't have red lights on. I have blue lights on, and blue is completely filtered by my LUT. Let me just fix this real quick. I don't know if it will be better. Let me grab a second. That is totally fine. Also, this didn't change a thing. Well, it changes my skin tone a bit. Okay, that was absolutely not what I tried to do, but it's fine. I have a background in IT, and I always wanted to make a game, which was something that I never did during university, because I was interested in other stuff during that time, which is kind of meh right now, but would have been cool back in the day. And what I got into was Godot a few years ago. I think it was Godot 3.2. When that came out, I think I started like getting into it. It just been a few years ago. I tried a bit, setting some stuff up, but that was mostly everything after like a week of trying, and then I left it where I left it. Until like this time, I'm actually having an idea. I have a vision what I want to create, and I think I could have the skill set to create what I want. So the idea is really simple. I'm trying to make a rage game. Something along the lines of Getting Over It with Bandit 40. Something that I played recently was Get to Work. Something that I think is also in the same vein would be Only Up, Jump King, all those games. And I feel like I wanted to make a similar style game. Like there is a whole lot, and I don't have the resources and the time that they had, but I just want to make a game that is in the same vein. And this is what we're having currently. I have a beautiful little boy. It's a duck chicken hybrid. I just drew him. That is literally one of my creations. Yeah, you can see him. He has a few things around him. Those are collision shapes and areas. And he's a beautiful little boy. He has a few animations. Don't question what is going on. Why is like sometimes not finding the window? That is super weird. Huh. Well, he has a few animations. Not all of the animations are great currently. You probably have to redo some of them or adjust a few of them. Okay, I will do the following. I will not use this source, and I will instead Where is it? That is a bit better. Okay. So now if I do anything, it won't just show a little window. It will show. Huh? But where's my border? Oh, it's the border for the face cam. There we go. That looked about right. He has a walk cycle, which is fucked because his legs are not crossing. He's mostly skedaddling. So he's not walking, which is okay. I drew all of them. Look at that. He's skedaddling. He's doing a thing. I also have a fly animation, which is just one frame. He gets some cool glasses. He has an idle pose, which is just him vibing. And if he gets stuck somewhere, he looks like this. His little beak being like stuck in wherever he is. I have to fix a few of those drawings. But I did them myself, and I'm quite proud because I'm not an artsy person. An artsy person. That sounded wrong. That sounded absolutely terrifyingly wrong. So just wanted to make that clear. Like a person that is very art affine. I think you know what I mean. So, what is the idea of the game? The idea of the game is we have the boy, and the boy can, let's just play it a bit. Oh, you can't see my window. You can... Ooh, I have to... That is awkward. I have to fix a few things. Firstly... Bro, come down here. Display is windowed. Why is it windowed and it's over the entire size of my screen? Resizable, borderless. It shouldn't be borderless, but it was borderless, which is awkward. Transparent, extend to title. That's not what I want. What do we do now? Let's resize it a bit. I think it's 1600 to 900. Okay. And now let's try playing it again. Okay, it opens up now in a window, which you can't see. You can see that there's something happening in the background, so I can't use a window source. I have to use a monitor source. Which is this. That is the perfect one. Correct one. Okay, now if I click this, you can see the game is starting. Which is, again, he has his animations, he can do his stuff. He has a very, very tiny jump, which is intentional. Look at this. It's a tiny ass jump. But there is one main mechanic. And the main mechanic is you can click on him, drag the mouse, and release him. And he gets launched. That is the main mechanic of the game. With an addition. Let me get something else. I I need a scene. The stickable body scene, I guess. Drag that on here. Get the scale to 20. That is way too big. Let me scale it to 12. That is about right for what I want to show. It's just like placeholder right now. Most of it is placeholder. Like I don't want like the white bottom, which is that you can fling yourself and then with your tiny little beak you can peck into something and you get stuck in there. That is like the basic concept. I'm going to elaborate on that. So there will be different materials, like a material where you get stuck and then you kind of slide down because you can't be stuck in there forever and you just slide down. If it something that you have to click twice, maybe that is an idea. Something that moves are ideas. So that will be the idea of the game. You can flick yourself. You can only flick yourself once. You can't flick yourself while you're in the air. You have to touch ground or get stuck somewhere. That is currently the gameplay loop that we're having. What I need right now is some level design, just some basic art that I have currently in here. I just need to redraw all of that so it looks like a level. Right now it doesn't. I need a background, a real one. That is all work in progress. Right now I'm just working on the mechanics of the game. What I'm also interested in doing, apart from level designing, would be doing something like a better camera script. Currently I don't have a camera script, but I want to like add a camera script that smoothes like the movement, gives me like a real like bottom border, so you can't like just fall down and the camera follows me until the heat death of the universe, which it will do currently. So that is a lot of stuff that needs to be worked on. And for that, I kind of want to go into like getting maybe redo like a few of these tiles, like maybe even recolor them so we can see better. Then get a few stickable materials ready and build like a part of the first level. That is what I want to do today. So to do that, we will need Photoshop. And I need the asset that is necessary for the tiles. Let me check what am I currently using. Is it the 128 or 256 asset? Time map layer, tile set, 128. Okay. So what I will do is get a copy of that. So if I adjust it, it's not gone. Drop that in here. And yes, white is kind of nice, but I apparently need something a bit that looks a bit different to the background. What's going on right now? What? What's going on here? I have never seen this grid. Where is this grid coming from? What is this grid? Am I going crazy? Why is there a grid? You're back. Hello. I'm worrying about that in just a bit. This, invert. And now, what do we need as a color for like better testing for the background? Red? I don't know if I like red. I think something yellow would be way more interesting. Okay, now I got this. I need... Yes, perfect. Getting my monitor set up would, also, what did I miss? You missed, I was showing what I currently did in the game. I don't know where you exactly left. I, not 100% certain. Also, where's transparency here? Oh well, there it is. There, and get the transparency down to around 50%. This, and now just save that. What did my daughter just do? I have like a baby monitor open. Maybe I have to go up in just a bit and check on her. She just moved to the other side of the bed, which is interesting. Oh no, I know what I need. I need something more, a bit orangey. Just tiny bit orangey. Give me that real nice... Yeah. Also, do you know what Linux is? Bro. Going into this, I told you that I went to university for an IT degree. I think I know what Linux is. You are here in a coding stream. How should I not know what Linux is? Like, no offense, but... Right? Okay, save this. Is that the correct? That looks about right. Now let me check. What does it look like here? Yep, it adjusted. I still don't know. Use Arc? Okay. I have never... That is not true. Is it true? I'm currently thinking about if I ever tried using Linux. I mean, I'm a Windows guy. It's just... not by preference of... this is such a good program. It's more like I'm used to it. And I kinda don't have like the will to learn something new. But I've heard it's great for coding. That makes it way better. Like invisibility. I am just... Debug session close. Oh, do I have my debug window open? Is my debugger open? No, apparently it is not. I am so lost right now. What is going on here? Values of the ternary operator are mutually compatible. Which one? Oh, right. Because that is, yep. But that is fine for what I'm doing in the code right there. So I think I'm good. Now I just, again. Why? That's absolutely not it. Help? Search help. Debug. Debug grid. Oh no, that is code. Starts a debug break, and yeah, I don't want to do that. Grid. Debug. I haven't used like Godot on this PC before, so probably it isn't just as set up as it is on my notebook. I don't want like the collision shapes or anything. I mean, I kinda do. But as soon as I go to the tile map, like it's also moving. If I go here, it's not there. I do have a Discord server. I don't know if you have seen my channel before. I'm usually not a coding YouTuber or streamer or anything. I am into Yu-Gi-Oh! I'm a Yu-Gi-Oh! Player and streamer. And with another co-creator, we do have a channel. And I don't know why the link isn't in my description, which makes it a lot more awkward. But I can send you an invite link. Yep, there. We just copy that, paste it. Yep, that is totally right. Bro, what? Use copy button. I used the fucking button. If I do this, it's also... Bro! Copied. It's copied to clipboard. Yeah. If I copy it to clipboard, it says hidden. Use copy button. Are you fucking kidding me? Disable real quick. Real quick. Just checking not to... Just set a link. Do you... Bro. Just send a link. What do you think what I was trying to do? I couldn't get the link. I just showed up. My 100th user? I mean, my user sounds like absolutely weird. I was trying to invite him. Yes, correct. But Discord said you are in streamer mode. I am not going to show the link in case you wanted to not show it, which is fair enough. Yeah. But then it says link is hidden. Use copy button to copy. And I was like, that is a good idea. I'm going to use the copy button. And Discord was like, great. You have it copied to your clipboard. And then I pasted in and said just hidden. Use copy button. And I was like, bro, where am I supposed to get the link then from? So I disabled the streamer mode, which... That was massively awkward right now. Also, I am going to need to Google that. Godot 4.3 tile map orange grid. I haven't seen that. Tile map layer. It is also. It's not just a tile map. Orange grid. Draw orange grid in the wrong position. Editors. Is it this? No, it's not that. What the hell? That was not even selected. Why did it show up then? Yeah. Cool. Cool story. Alright. Also, if I draw... Okay, it's using the correct colors now. Cool. So, let's figure out some basic ass level design, which is just to test and to give out to potential players, like testers. Delete the node. So currently what I'm thinking is you start here, or maybe just a bit more around here. You walk to the right, as you do, because you can see this is going to be a big ass tree once the game has all of the art, which it currently doesn't. It's just like here to test the game and just work on like stuff. You walk over to the right, you get like a little here, like a little sign that's going to tell you, you can walk left to right. Also, my daughter's named him Pookie. That is his name. It's Pookie. We love him. You move to the right, you can see, there are little like steps, because you know, get the message like around here. You can jump with the space button, but it's not a big jump. So you have like tiny steps that you can climb, which I'm probably going to like make better. They're fucking horrible. Like get down here, get up there, get there. There. Thing. That. And that. That looks about much better. And then you can like go over there and fall down. And once you fall down here, I mean, I can play the fucking game. Why am I showing you not right now? Move over there. It's quite long. I probably have to move him over. It's quite long. It's way too long. You move there. You get the hint here. You can jump with the space button, so you can jump up the stairs. And once you fall down here, you notice you can't get back up because your jump is pathetic. I've used Godot, but I'm into programming apps and sometimes games. I'm trying to learn Java, but I'm good at Python. I learned Java in school, like a bit of Java, a bit of C++. I do have some rudimentary Python knowledge. I coded an app in Python that I'm using here on stream, like for my dueling stuff, my Yu-Gi-Oh stuff, which is around here. There we go. I coded that myself. I can import like a file, which takes a while. It's not optimized. It's just for me, so I didn't care about optimizing it. And then you can like do a little, give a little, and once you have like it set up. Issue is it has to like load that in and translate whatever is in there at the same time. So you can click on whatever cards you have in hand. You know how much you have in hand. And then you can save it to file, and you can see in the background you have like those files, and once I save it to file, those get overwritten, and in this file I get like an output. So once I click save to file, I get like the output in here. You can see it over, oh, there, at the entire right of the screen. So that was what I did. So my Python is not really good, and I think I gained a noticeable amount of gray hair from coding this, because I'm really not versed in Python. And I was racking my brain around it, and somehow it worked. I think I could even go further and make it better, but right now I don't. I'm not interested. Again, you fall down, you notice, okay, you have like pathetic little hops, not really jumps. So you can't even charge them. And you get a hint again that you can launch yourself, like by clicking anywhere on the screen and dragging your mouse cursor, like to one direction. And depending on where your click started and your click was let go of the mouse button, you get flung. So basically you can shoot yourself up here. That is the basic idea. And once you have like the basic movement, you get to the point, which is around here, that you will have no option. That will be a tile map layer. Get my tile map, get my prototyping, and I want to draw like a really big, like, that's like a big hurdle, which is too big to even shoot over. Let me check. I made like a collision shape to see how high I can jump, which is cool. Should work. So if I go there, let me real quick move me there, play. I can shoot myself up, and I notice I can't get up there. Then there will be like an arrow here that points up. Try shooting yourself up, and you get another like hint that with right click you can stick yourself into something. So you notice no matter how hard you try, you just can't go to like the peak. So that's when I get one of those. Those are specifically made scenes or materials that you can stick in. That will be like a pretty, let's say, big scene, and you have to pull it down a bit so it's reachable for like a normal human person. You can shoot yourself up. You can see there is something. I'm also thinking about like writing a shader so you can have a little glow around the object. You can shoot yourself up, and now right click and you get stuck there, which is on purpose. And now you can shoot yourself up and you can get over like the tree or whatever is here. And that's going to be like the little tutorial section. Like probably a bit, just a tiny bit bigger. Maybe I will also add like other things, but I just wanted to teach like the basic ass movement in something that is not punishing. Like around here you can't fall down. Like you're not losing any progress because you can't go much further here in this on this side, because it's like impossibly high. And the code is, no matter how far you drag it, you have like a limited reach for the boy to fly to. Get there, get there. Oh, nice. Stuck at the literally edge. And now you can get on top of there. And from here, like we're going to start the actual level. Walking, and then you can even like fall down, and it's going to go up quite a while. And once you went up, like around here somewhere, where like the screen ends, I can like turn this even bigger. It's just like I wanted something to have in the background that is not just the gray background, and that it moves a bit, so it seems like it's in progress, which it is. You try to get there by having like a few jumps and leaps and falls. Maybe it's even like around here, not just there, so you have to go like around and just zigzag a little bit. So you have like a little something to rest. So what I'm thinking is like probably a lot of trees that have like big branches that you can like get stuck in, like as a visual. So you're basically making a chicken version of Getting Over It, or are there actually traps that kill you? I'm not, right now, I'm not sure. It's basically a rage game. Like, Getting Over It is probably the grandfather of those games. There were like a few more in recent times, or in recent memory. Some probably have heard about Get to Work, which was quite famous like recently. There was what's it called, like Only Up, that was recently. I mean, Jump King is also one of those. It's like even like because of the way I control like my controls. You lose progress. Yeah, it's like the lose progress. Maybe something that will even kill you, but you will get reset to certain points, which are basically you lose progress. So, wasn't there like also the Sisyphus game, like where you push up a boulder, up a mountain? It's also like one of those games. But I wanted to make one of those because that seemed like it's a really good. You can test your skill, or like what do you want to make really good with games like this, because you are not. How do I say it? You are not forced to write like a ton of code, which I do. Let's be honest here. I have a lot of code written just for the player character right now, and it's like I'm not deep into development yet, so I'm expecting like this to triple at least until the end. It's like 170 lines. It's not crazy much, but it's a lot for what little things you can do. It's just like walk, jump, and get flung into one direction that you want. Like I'm also needing some visualization for the power that you're shooting yourself, which isn't maybe as obvious, so I'm not like drawing a line so you can see how far you go with your line, or like even like color in the line so you can see like green is like really tiny impulse and yellow is a bigger impulse and red is like you shoot yourself really high. I'm not going to do that. Different idea was I'm going to insert a little. I don't think you need that. I think I want something like that. I don't need it, you are correct, but I want something that is not really visible. If you understand what my drift is. Like, my idea was let people play with feeling. I will do that. That will be most of the time that they have to do that. However, my idea was, and I tested it a bit and it went horrible, to use like a stretch on the character, on the sprite, so that it's getting like, if you pull it back, it stretches into this direction. If you pull it back down, it stretches into this direction. So you have like this just a bit. It's not like it's going to help you a lot, because it's just getting stretched. It's just stretching the sprite. It's not doing anything to the sprite. But I think that was something that I experimented with. And it didn't feel great, so I scrapped it for now. But I tried that. I really tried that. A terminal. That... Trying to think on how do you implement a terminal in Python. How do you do that? But that seems quite interesting. You can do something like the chick turn red and the power charger. That is a really good idea. That is a... I have a better idea. Like I know what a terminal... like a terminal emulator. I mean, yes, yeah. But I never have like thought about doing something like this. I always wanted to do something. Talks to shell, yeah. Oh, right. It's just like you send it to shell and you have like mostly just an interface to communicate that and do it just in the background and display it then. I mean, sure. Those are the projects I have never been interested in. Those are like doing myself. Like, I think it's quite interesting to do that. I just never found it appealing to do it myself. Like, I'm doing this because I'm really interested in figuring that shit out. Like, I do this and you can play it and I can give it to others, which is what it does. It reads input, then it runs .os. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Also, I had the idea. You can do something like the chick turn red. I don't think I want to turn like the chick to turn red. But I think I want to get to idle, please. Thank you. Why are you stuck right now? Okay, it's back to normal. Also, idle is your default animation. Okay, it's back to normal. I'm trying to make a GUI terminal with tkinter. Yeah, I mean, I built my app with tkinter as well. So I have like a GUI. I had to like get to know tkinter like on a basic level, which was not something I've done before because, again, I am not versed in Python, so I haven't used tkinter in... Yeah. In ever. Okay. Get the dark a bit more to the ground so it doesn't have like a big fall. It's more like you are there already. Cool. The big circle, by the way, is... Why don't I see the other collision? Oh, I muted them. So right there they are. Save. Go to the main. Yeah, there it is. I just wanted to see the collision shapes because the blue one is like the collision with ground and walls and anything. The red collision shape is added to the area, which means everything that is red is able to be stickable, and you have to get to... Cool, I get to ban someone. That is great. Don't fucking advertise your shitty ass. shitty ass tool. And oh, I don't want to end this. I want to come on. I'm going to report you for spam. That's a bot. It's a view bot advertisement bot. And done. Great. So I can get rid of you. And now I get to ban you from my chat. That is cool. Where was I? Okay. Those bodies have metadata, which makes them stickable. I just tell them you are stickable, which has no input, impact on anything other than that it has like a tag on it that says I'm stickable. And it has an area around itself, which means like anywhere this is, like I have my area around there, the blue lines, you can see it here. It's like it's a square. And I have my code written that if this red area is inside one of those blue areas, you can click your right mouse button and you just stay there. So you get you back into whatever it is. It's stickable. You stick in there. And the gray circle here is a rough estimation on how far you can go with your jumps. So I tried to estimate it by calculating it, which was super unsuccessful and didn't help me. And then I just tried it. So I launched myself up, added like a few tiles, and whenever I got close, I just adjusted the goal until I had it. And then I gave myself like a collision shape that was inactive. It's disabled. So you don't collide with anything. And it just shows me how far I can go with a jump. So I can move my bird to any one location on the map. And if I have it in that location, I just like stay there. I mean, I can put it there and I can see where I can go. So I can like do my puzzles accordingly. Like it's not really puzzling, but I think you know what I mean. Okay, right. Building a level, which is something I've been dreading for quite a while, let's be honest. This. Move this. And now we need to place like a big ground layer, which is where you fall down to, if you fall at all. Then I need some level borders, so you don't go over that. Right. So you can either fall down in here, in the starting area, or in here. Probably have to adjust a bit so it's not too one-dimensional. There we go. And then get like an outer border that goes around here. Just for the first level. Just for the first level. And just for testing. Like, I am fairly certain that I have to adjust a lot of those levels. Maybe even completely redo them in the future. Just for now, I just want to build something. So I have something to give to others. I have to adjust my texture rack. So even if you go there, you can see like a bit around that. Why didn't I just move it like this? You can't go out here anyways. So you are this tiny bird, and which means once you... No, I have to click the duck and move it here. This is where you start. And what we do is just some... I think you start easy. Do I start easy? That is a real question right now. How do I want to start? Like, getting level design is quite difficult for me. We have to first like figure out the stickable body as a 12, so I don't have to adjust it every time. You get one of those around here, and you go further up, and then you get like your first one that's a bit squashed. How do we transform you? Skew? Oh no, that is not for now, which is also quite cool, to be honest. How do I stretch you? Oh no, those are... Oh, okay, right, so that's just movement. I can adjust the scale on the x-axis to be bigger. Yep, that is about what I was hoping for. To get something that is just smaller. And you have to get there. Then you probably, let's think from here. I want to get like somewhere over here. Question is, why shouldn't I just go from here to there? So I have to move that to here. I used Vim for my programming for a little bit right now, but VS Code, yeah. Let me check if I know Vim. That seems super old. I mean, VS Code right now is the way to go. It's free, it's cheap. It does a lot for what it's doing. Like back in the day, NeoVim, okay. I mean, Vim is pretty old. Hyper-extensible Vim-based text editor. I mean, why not? Why not? Tile map layer, get the tile map. My duck. Get it here so I know where I'm going. And get the tile map, and draw like a platform here, which has like a little stand here, so you can try to shoot yourself up, which gives you like an advantage, or like I'm expecting it to be. Get another stickable body, which goes like hier. Was sagt er mir denn jetzt hier? Verwende eine Keyframe-Frequenz von 4 Sekunden oder weniger. Die Keyframes derzeit nicht oft genug gesendet werden, die Zwischensprechung auftreten können. Die aktuelle Keyframe-Frequenz beträgt. Cool. Cool. Okay, move my duck again. Get to the next stickable body. Which is there. And then I want another platform for now. Again, I don't know if we keep it like this. This could be like the worst idea ever. You get up there. It's a bit far. This seems about right. And now I have to figure out if I know how this works again, because I haven't done this. I've seen like there is an easy way, which means I can go there, move my duck to here, which means you can get him here, and this can go up here. So if we're there, this is where we should try to go with our next. There, okay. Time my player and get my prototype. Okay, that would be a hard-ass jump. That should be good. Okay. What I want to do, not that. Move my duck out of the way. I mean, making it pretty is then the part that will take the most time, because those are, I'm not going to keep those assets, like those are horrible. What I want to do is this. Select an animation player node to edit and create animations. Breckies showed how this works, and I have no idea how this was. Animation player. New animation. Platform. No, let's call it not platform. Call it stick form. Like platform where you can stick to. Stick form. There. Where do I put like keyframe? Onion scaling, yeah, that is pin animation player. Where was the keyframe? Was animation length? How did he do this? How did he do this? What's the output saying? Tilemap layer parameter edited layer is null. I mean, okay. That's Bezier. Right now I'm confused. The key of the current animation, if no animation is playing, the property is empty. But where is like the keyframing? I just need keyframing. That is play, that is not doing anything. Like the animation is 1 second long. I probably have to check the video. Because that was like a very easy idea that I make a game. Godot. Pickups, platforms. Enemy dying, player text, score, audio. Exporting it. Okay, platforms. He's using animatable bodies. I mean, that makes a huge difference. Can't I just do it with an animation player? I don't think I can, right? Come on. Hurry up a bit. You have your collision shape, you have your body. You have your sprite.
We've actually created our platform. So in our game scene, we can drag it in, go on the scenes.
Cool, cool, cool. You have a permeable from one direction. Platform 2. Oh. Wait. Ha! Use Bezier curves. Yes, please. And now after animation player, how do I edit the length? Brecky, save me.
I'm also going to hold down shift to kind of snap it to one axis.
Come on, Brecky, save me.
There, and let's add another keyframe. And now we can see that if we play, the animation plays. We also want this to loop, so I'm going to select loop here. However, this is going to...
That's cool. You can loop that shit. I don't really care.
Let's press it again. And now you can see that it's going to start ping-ponging back and forth. If this is currently...
Yeah, but 1 second is way too fast. Ah, there it is. Ah, there, I didn't see it. 3. And I want you to go here. Keyframe it. Do we have a Bezier curve? No, don't do that. We don't Bezier here, okay. Okay, that is definitely way too fast. To move that over to the 3-second mark. And then pendulum between them. I wish I had like better Bezier. I have to figure out how Bezier works. Also, sub, thank you. But again, I hope you're not I hope you're not disappointed if I'm not going to stream like every day like game dev. It's mostly Yu-Gi-Oh time, but sometimes there will be game dev. Thank you. Have a good one. Okay, this is something. Let us start by trying how the game feels for someone who plays it. We can walk, we can jump, cool. I wish I had my tablet here, my drawing tablet, so I could like get those messages and put them into the game so we could see them. Oh my god, we are so fast. Yippee. Where do we go now? I don't know. We should go up. Way. Okay. Okay, that is... The issue is I feel like it's very spaced far between, which is, let's be honest, the name of the game here. Shoot yourself up. Yay. That was a good one. How do we get up there? Too far! No! No, I didn't reach it. Shoot up. No! Not too... Okay, I have to put that a bit down so I don't... It's the first level, so don't be... Make it too hard. Air movement? Yeah! Air controls worked. Cool. Oh no! That was the wrong direction. Platform? Okay, cool. Air controls, nice. I definitely need better indicators where the next, No! No, 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 no. Where the next target is. What I like right now about seeing this is the feeling, like I didn't go far, it didn't take me long. But the feeling that I had when I fell down, because you see all of that. Oh, come on, that was definitely close enough. Get it. That is not good enough. Get it? Nice, got it. That was not good enough. No! Okay, I definitely have to work with the camera. Like, with a look ahead of what you can see and whatnot. That definitely is an issue. Oh, no, 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 please, 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 please. Oh, okay, that was good enough. There we go. Why are you not moving? Peroski, you are not moving. Why are you moving here, but... He is moving in the editor, but not in the game. Do you move when you get... No! I overshot it. Okay, that is frustrating. Okay. So I think I learned a lot about those games. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jumps took me a while to figure out how to do it like properly. So that is an issue. It should be like way more jumps that get progressively harder and not just... They are basically impossible if you don't know where to go. So I have to adjust my camera. This means if you stick here, you can see there, but if you stick here, you can't see up there, which is an issue. Kinda don't want to move the camera too far away, but I probably have to. 0, 1, 0, 1, 2. Come on. Go here. Well, I think stream has ended now because my little daughter is awake, which is weird. Guys, I have to go now, real quick. My daughter's awake and I don't want her to, like, scream. Have a good one, guys. Thank you for watching. I will work on this and I will see you later soon. Bye-bye.